We're trying something a little new today. I got 3 different beers from Kona Brewing Company. We're making an iconic dish from Hawaii that's one of my absolute favorites. It's the first thing I eat every single time I go to Hawaii. We're making Loco Moco. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Coast to Coast. For me, there's no better way than to make Loco Moco than to do it while wearing one of my favorite shirts, my dad's Rain Spooner. So let's get started. If you've never had real Hawaiian Loco Moco before, I have to tell you, you're missing out. The first thing that we want to get started on is the rice. Be sure to run the rice under cold water and rinse off some of that extra starch. Just keep rinsing it off until the water running out of the bottom starts running clear. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of chicken stock to a boil, add your rice, reduce the heat down to low, and simmer that for about 15 minutes covered. Then take it off the heat and let rest for 5 minutes. Now stick around, guys, because we're gonna do Loco Moco 3 different ways. Everything's ready, let's get plated up. Got our beautiful rice, steaming hot. All right, next we want to take our Spam, put it on our first one. Then our beef patty on this one. Then we want to take our gravy, ladle it over the top. Then we take our egg there, and then our other egg on top of the beef patty. All right, there we go. Spam Loco Moco, beef Loco Moco. The third preparation we'll do next, but let's dive into these 2 first. All right, now we got 3 beers that we're gonna try and see which one pairs the best. These are all by Kona Brewing Company. First we have the Longboard Lager, the Firerock Pale Ale, and lastly the Hanalei Island IPA. Kind of excited about this one. When I go to Hawaii, there's a juice there that you can order called POG, which is passion orange and guava juice combined into one. That's what this IPA is. It's a passion orange guava IPA. I don't know how well it's gonna pair with this, but let's jump in and see what we got. All right, I'm gonna start with the Spam Loco Moco, which I'm gonna call the breakfast Loco Moco. This I'm gonna call the lunch, and then later we're gonna make some dinner Loco Moco. That is packed full of flavor. I gotta be honest, I didn't think I really liked Spam. I can't remember the last time I had it. Usually this is the kind of Loco Moco that I would eat. But this is delicious. Wow, that's a killer IPA. That passion orange guava tropicalness really comes through. It's not overly bitter. In fact, bitterness level, I think it's about the same almost as the Firerock Pale Ale. All right, let's dive into this one. Let's break that yolk. Perfect sunny side up egg, beef patty, mushrooms. Nice beef gravy. That umami flavor you get from the mushrooms is so good. All right, in my opinion, this Passion Orange Guava IPA pairs really, really well with the Spam Loco Moco. However, there's something about the tropical flavors that are just kind of contrasting with all the beefiness that you get from the beef patty and the umami from the mushrooms and all that. I really think that the Firerock Pale Ale pairs fantastic with the beef Loco Moco. Now we're gonna make the last preparation of the Loco Moco. This is gonna be more of what I'm calling the dinner Loco Moco. This is totally my play on a Loco Moco, so I'm having fun with it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So what I'm gonna start by doing is taking the same gravy that we just made, and I'm gonna just change the flavor profile a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is take a knob of this ginger, slice some up a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the ginger, throw it into the sauce. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. And for a little bit of heat, I'm gonna add some sambal chili paste. I'm just gonna kind of stir this together, let this simmer, let these flavors kind of hang out a little bit. I just wanna create a little bit more of that umami flavor, a little bit of spiciness. And then we're gonna blacken some ahi tuna, sear it off, and we're gonna make a blackened ahi tuna Loco Moco. It's probably gonna create a bit of smoke, but I got a cast iron pan on high heat. Made a quick, nice little blackening seasoning. This has got some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, basil, thyme, a bunch of cayenne pepper. We're just gonna sear it on all the sides, get a nice crust going. Woo! Smoky. I love it when I don't hit record. Oh my god. All right, here is our tuna Loco Moco. We got our rice on the bottom, then we put our piece of blackened yellowfin tuna right on top of that. Pour the gravy that we modified with a little bit of soy sauce and some ginger and some sambal, give it some heat, and then topped it with a fried egg and a little green onion on top. Look at that beauty. Woo! Yeah, man, let's dive into this. I gotta get this egg into the party. Break that yolk, watch that pour down like that. Mmm. Nice. Got a piece of tuna. Wow! That might be the best piece of tuna I've ever made. Longboard lager, number one. All right, I've had all three Loco Mocos and I have had all three beers and the results are in. Here's what I think. My Spam Breakfast Loco Moco paired fantastically with the Hanalei IPA. That passion orange guava flavor, the sweetness from that beer really balanced out the saltiness from the Spam. The two of those things just came together really nicely. The Loco Moco really complemented that beer, the beer complemented the Loco Moco. With that said, I think the Firerock Pale Ale was the best pairing for the beef Loco Moco. Again, I was surprised at that. I was thinking the main IPA would be the best one for that. I was wrong. The Firerock Pale Ale was fantastic with the beef Loco Moco. Now on to my creation, the Yellowfin Tuna Loco Moco. The Longboard Lager was the clear shot winner. Clear shot. And I really thought one of these hoppier ones was going to be able to cut through some of that heat, which it did, but there were some flavors that just didn't meld and balance out right. So the Longboard Lager was definitely the winner with this seared tuna. If you guys feel that I represented your state well, please give me a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, man.